Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me thank you all for giving me time. And then before I talk a lot, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mayang Sari. My nickname Mayang. My NPM is A1B02000N4. And I'm from class 6A, English Language Education Study Program, University of Bengkulu. Okay, in this opportunity, I would like to take a video to final exam in the course CALL or Computer Assisted Language Learning, and the lecturer is Sir Teddy. Okay, let's start. Okay, hello everyone. Hi. How are you today? What do you feel? How you feeling today? I hope you feel well, yeah. Okay. Our meeting today is online class ya, through Zoom meeting. Okay. Seperti biasa, link absen saya share di grup WhatsApp dan kalian mengisi. Saya berikan waktu 15 minutes. Okay. Good student, our material today is about procedure text. But before we start our lesson today, I have a assignment for you. This is the assignment listening weekly. So in here, you listening a podcast, and then you write, make conclusion, and write what you get from the podcast, from this, from video above. Okay? Okay. Jadi itu tugasnya adalah listening weekly, tugas mingguan mendengarkan, yang mana kalian harus mendengarkan podcast, dan podcast ini saya tentukan kalian harus mendengar dari TED.com. Saya merekomended aplikasi ini, saya merekomended podcast dari ini karena banyak keuntungan yang kita peroleh dari mendengarkan podcast dari aplikasi ini. Oke, kalian bisa download aplikasinya di Play Store ya, aplikasi, dan itu free. Jadi nggak usah khawatir karena berbayar ataupun kalian membutuhkan jaringan yang banyak untuk mendownload aplikasi. So easy. Okay, I will explain what the TED application. Okay, student, if you didn't want download the application, you can searching in the YouTube, searching TED.com. From channel TED.com, you can choose mini video if you want, and di sini ada batasan durasi ya. Jadi untuk video podcast yang di bawah 2 menit itu tidak diperbolehkan. Jika ada yang membuat listening weekly dengan durasi video 2 menit itu tidak saya terima. Oke? Paham kan? Ya. Oke. TED Talks itu adalah aplikasi yang dimana ini adalah sebuah organisasi sebenarnya, organisasi para ahli, para ilmuwan, para orang-orang yang berprestasi di sini. Mereka give motivation and inspiration for audience. Okay. TED, an acronym for Technology, Entertainment, and Design, hosts conference where experts in various fields present on interesting and cutting-edge topics. Apply named TED Talks. These presentations are no more than 18 minutes long, but are packed with information. Each presentation is meant to inspire and challenge audience members to think about challenging and creative topics in new ways. So, if you are looking for an easy, affordable, and safe way to expand your thinking on topics you may or may not have heard of, TED Talks are perfect for you. Yeah, this is a very, very perfect to improve our skill, improve our speaking, improve our listening, improve our pronunciation. So we can learning that, yeah, from TED.com. What the advantages from TED Talk? Okay, the first, they will teach you something. So each time you listen to a TED Talk, you will discover something new. There are truly hundreds of talks that have been done by experts like Bill Clinton, Bill Gates, Jane Goodall, or James Cameron. So di sini dia bisa mengajarkan banyak hal kepada kita. Kita bisa discover something new, discover yang terbaru. Karena informan terbaru akan dikeluarkan di TED.com. Karena fenomena-fenomena yang dibahas itu adalah fenomena-fenomena yang sedang hot pada saat ini. Dan itu narasumbernya adalah orang-orang yang berprestasi dari berbagai negara. Contohnya tadi ada James Cameron, terus ada Jane Goodall, ya. Oke, next. TED, they inspire conversation. Conversation is the root of how we communicate as humans. After you listen to your first TED talk, it is likely that you will be fascinated by how eloquently the speaker are able to present their ideas. Okay. In fact, you may discover that you want to share some of your newfound knowledge with your friends and family. Because berita, fenomena, informasi itu tidak hanya bisa kita lihat di TikTok saja, tidak hanya di YouTube saja. Kita bisa menggunakan TED Talk ini, TED Talk itu untuk mengetahui informasi-informasi di dunia luar. Kan banyak orang-orang sukses yang berada di Amerika, Rusia, Eropa, dan mereka di sini mereka menceritakan bagaimana proses perjalanan mereka agar bisa berada di titik tersebut, agar bisa berada di titik tertinggi. Okay, the advantages from TED.com is they provide motivation. Yeah, provide motivation. Many TED talks come from presenters who have overcome incredible odds to achieve incredible goals or inspire change in the world. It's likely that you will experience this within the first couple of talks you tune into. Hearing their stories will motivate you to reevaluate your personal goals and set new ones that may challenge you more than you would have previously thought. TED, they provide awesome advice. And finally, they will expand your perspective. Yeah. Jam-packed with knowledge to challenge and expand your perspective. Tuning into talks about topics or ideas you have never considered cause you to apply what you learn to the circumstances in your own life. Okay. So, and TED will improve your skill like listening, speaking, pronunciation, your grammar, and anything, ya. Oke, kembali lagi ke topik. Jadi, your assessment itu kalian tulis, catat di buku khusus assessment weekly ini. Jadi, sebelum kita memulai pembelajaran, saya akan melihat assessment kalian. Jadi jangan dilewatkan, okay? Okay, back to our lesson today. Okay, in this meeting, our material is procedure text. If you hear the procedure words, what do you think? Apa yang terbesit dalam pikiran kalian ketika mendengar kata prosedur? Ya, betul. Prosedur is the process. Prosedur itu adalah suatu step-step dalam membuat sesuatu. So, what the procedure takes? Ada yang bisa jawab? If you want answer, please raise your hand. Okay, you get it. Good job. So, procedure text is the text that show a process in order in something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of series. The purpose of the text is to give instruction on how to make or do something. Like example, make a coffee, make a tea, make a noodle or meatball, and it all. Again, the next material, the features of the procedure text. Tentunya kita when we want take procedure text, when we want to write the procedure text, kita tidak asal-asal nulis step-stepnya saja gitu ya, but we must to attention in the feature of the text, of the generic structure that okay, the feature of procedure text is begins with a statement of goal. Yeah, it could be the title. Second, list material needed in order of use. Third, gives a series of steps, the instruction in order. And the last, each instruction begins with a verb in the present tense. So if you want write the procedure text, you must using present tense. Okay, procedure text usually in form of recipes, instruction, and manual. Okay, the example from the procedure text. Okay, I have the example in procedure text is how make a cup of coffee. Okay, ada yang tahu bagaimana cara membuat kopi? Yeah, right. We need coffee, sugar, and hot water. Put on the glass. Yeah, right. Okay. But in the complete step in the procedure text is in here there are ingredients. The ingredients is 1 spoon of coffee powder or as needed, secukupnya sesuai dengan selera kalian masing-masing. Kemudian we need hot water and 2 spoon of sugar or as needed. Okay, the utensil, a cup and a spoon. Yeah. Okay, how to make that? Okay, the first step, prepare the ingredients and utensil. Like prepare 2 spoon of sugar or as needed, a cup, hot water, 1 spoon of coffee powder, and a spoon. The second step, put 1 spoon of coffee powder into the cup, just 1, but as needed lah. And then pour some hot water in the cup. After that, add 2 spoon of sugar or as needed into a cup of coffee. After that, you can stir it well and the coffee ready to be served. Okay.